Hi, welcome to our videos. We'll be seeing pain relief physio yoga and extended version, which is going to have more than 7 exercises. The first one, we are starting with arm rotations clockwise. Each one can be done up to 10 times, and then anti-clockwise. This can also be repeated to 10 times. Make sure the arm reaches the ear and then does not touch the floor. Okay, it should be just above the floor. The next activity will be the spinal rotation. Take both your hands below the head, keep your feet together, knees together, and rotate your lumbar spine. This is to loosen your lumbar spine. Having done this, we are going into the to unlock the spine. We do this is called Jatara Parivartasana as a full spinal rotation. You take one foot onto the other knee, literally keep the foot on the knee, then use your opposite hand to press the leg down. Rotate your waist in the process. Turn your head also to the opposite side. Initially you can do it as a repetition, then once you get used to it, you can hold the position in each side for about 3 to 5 breaths. You will enjoy the deep relaxation that sets in. It's an amazing thing to be done at the end of the day to feel completely re-energized. Having done the spinal rotation, the right thing is to extend your spine. So extension of the spine here is done with muscular contractions. So you can repeat that up to 20 times. We are now proceeding to the next exercise, that is the Pavana Muktasana. This involves stretching of the glutes. If possible, lift your head up and bring your forehead close to the knee. Having done the single leg, you can repeat the single leg to 5 times on each. Then we can proceed to the both legs. You're going to bend both your knees and pull both your knees to the chest without lifting the head of the floor. In the process, you'll have to see through that you are lifting your tailbone up. Roll your tailbone up. There you are. You can hold the position for a couple of breaths and then you can release it too. Having done that, we proceed to the stomach lying ones. You lie in your stomach or face down. Make sure you keep your forehead down. Then you proceed to the arm movement. As if you are making a snow angel, you move your arm all the way up and down with the palm facing down. This is to really strengthen the upper back muscles. And the waving motion is to make it even more agile and stronger. The tendons and the ligaments around your shoulders will get stronger and much more agile. Having done that, now we proceed to the leg lifting. You're going to keep both your hands below the forehead. Alternatively lift one leg after the other. It's usually done with breathing. Inhale when you lift your leg up. Exhale when you put your leg down. Next you proceed to the cat stretch, wherein take both your hands as if you're doing push-ups. Inhale. As you inhale, lift your head up, chest up, and as you exhale, you sit back fully. Then we proceed to the cat and the camel. Go on all fours. Hands right below the shoulders, knees right below the hips. Yes, cat and the camel. It's an amazing strengthening for the intervertebral muscles. The small muscles between your spinal bones can get really stronger. Yes. So this is usually repeated more than 10 times. And depending on the condition, the repetitions will keep varying. It will be good for you to refer to your physio or a yoga instructor to get the right kind of exercises for the spine as well as the repetitions. Now, having done, you just sit